The new IND231 and 236 weighing terminals from Mettler Toledo enhance efficiency in weighing processes without compromising on ease of use, connectivity, flexibility, and ruggedness. Whether your process requires the lightweight and cost-effective polymer enclosure of the IND231 or the rugged stainless steel enclosure of the IND236, built for easy cleaning and to withstand washdown with aggressive solvents, you can count on Mettler Toledo for a terminal that addresses the environment in which your process operates. Easy to use and versatile by design, both the IND231 and IND236 are flexible, cost-effective additions to any weighing operation. Either terminal can be used with bench or floor scales. Their adjustable mounting bracket can accommodate many different types of installations. The backlit screen can be used in low light or bright light installations, even outdoors. The terminals easily integrate into daily production activities. They fit into your environment, typically without requiring process changes. Whether you need a terminal for a basic weighing procedure, check weighing, counting, animal weighing, or for weight accumulation, operators with an IND231 or IND236 terminal get the job done faster and with fewer errors. See how quickly operators can recall a target weight from the terminal's built-in memory. With room for up to 10 stored targets, it is easier to check weigh the products you weigh most frequently. Don't waste time resetting the scale for every new sample. Use the clear graphic symbols on the display screen to pull up a new target and begin working. The IND231 and IND236 make adjustments effortless so you can check more samples instead of spending time reconfiguring target settings. The terminals add value with multiple communication options for today's modern workflows. Weighing data can be transmitted to production databases to improve efficiency. Free software enables users to back up terminal configurations to a PC and archive, restore, or duplicate settings and configurations to additional terminals. With 80 hours of power in the optional battery pack, losing power is not a concern. The terminals are built for long-term use. With the IND236, there's no need to worry about protection from rugged industrial environments and washdown procedures. With powerful features, practical design, and competitive pricing, the IND231 or 236 is the perfect addition to your industrial weighing process. To find out what your process is missing, visit mt.com/IND236 or talk to your local Mettler Toledo sales representative.